Holy smokes everyone, the global elites, the 1%, they are panic buying doomsday bunkers, and the reason behind it will shock you. I don't know about you, but I'm starting to see an alarming new trend where I'm starting to see more and more while the global elites are calling all these preppers crazy conspiracy theorists, while at the same time they're out there panic buying these doomsday bunkers and looking for a safe haven for when things really hit the fan. So everyone, what are the global elites, what are the 1% doing, and what can we learn, and what should we be doing right now? Let's get into it. Look at this everyone, the phone hasn't stopped ringing. The world's ultra rich are panic buying doomsday bunkers. Listen to this. Russian President Vladimir Putin's move to place his nuclear forces on heightened alert as the invasion of Ukraine continues has increased demand for custom-made doomsday bunkers for the paranoid rich. So why are they doing this everyone? Do they have information that the general population doesn't have yet, and what do they know? Gary Lynch, the general manager of Texas-based Rising Esco, told The Sun that underground doomsday bunker demand is up more than 1,000% since Russian troops invaded Ukraine on February 24th. Typically, I'll sell between 2 and 6 shelters a month, and usually winter is a quiet time for us. Well everyone, this is definitely escalating quickly. But this has already been underway for some time now. Because look what also been happening. The wealthiest of Silicon Valley have become super doomsday preppers by buying remote New Zealand properties, getting eye surgeries, and stockpiling food. And we can't say what else they're stockpiling. Look at these pictures here everyone. The 5 doomsday bunkers sold on Russian Invasion Day ranged between 70,000 to 240,000. So not exactly cheap, but it definitely is chump change for the super rich. Bunkers start as low as 40,000 and can reach multi-million-dollar depending on the client's needs. Lynch said prospective buyers are calling him as they fear Russia might invade other neighboring countries and could lead to a fully fledged world war. We've seen this trend before, and people usually begin to panic to hoard critical things for survival such as food and precious metals. Doomsday bunkers are a luxury only for the super rich. So this is a very interesting development everyone. Why they're telling you not to panic, don't hoard items, don't hoard food, no need to fear, no need for these doomsday prepper things going on. They're saying one thing and they're doing another. And like what we're seeing with people from Silicon Valley, they've been doing this for a while now. They know social unrest is rising. They know that these tech lords are not very popular right now. And also as more automation comes, people are going to get more and more unhappy as they take their jobs. We're also seeing the wealth gap widen between the have and have-nots and between the poor and the rich. We're starting to see the middle class get absolutely decimated by inflation, rising rents, rising food costs, and rising fuel costs. And this can only go on for so long until it leads to social unrest. Now, this is not me trying to be all doom and gloom people. I've been trying to tell you to prepare by buying things, by having extra food, having extra water, having a way to dilute or purify the water, having extra resources, security to protect yourself in case of a crisis that does come, which we hope never comes. Just kind of like when you go to buy car insurance, you hope you never have a car accident, but you buy it just in case. And this is also what the 1% and the super rich are doing right now as well. And I don't know if you've read a book or seen a video on the fourth turning, but it does predict an 80-year cycle where things go from bad to worse. And we're in the fourth turning, the 4th generation cycle of the longer 80-year cycle, and that is likely going to end or peak. The real crisis is going to peak in 2026. So what this cycle does tell us, and what this model does tell us, is the crises are only going to get worse over the next 4 to 5 years. But everyone, what do you think about this? What preparations are you doing right now? Have you investigated or purchased one of these doomsday bunkers? Let me know. Now, for all my loyal viewers and subscribers still watching, you're awesome. This was just a quick update with what the global 1% are doing. I thought this was very interesting, but what do you think? Let me know. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.